Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Decor Styles. Guys, certainly making your home look more expensive doesn't always require a hefty budget. Here are some useful tips to elevate your home's aesthetic without breaking the bank. Number 1. Pay attention to the exterior. Boost curb appeal by painting your front door, updating hardware, and enhancing your front porch with inviting furniture and lush plants. Number 2. Furniture with character. Move away from matching furniture sets. Instead, focus on texture, interest, and character. Number 3. Architectural texture with paneling. Add depth and elegance by installing paneling on walls. It creates visual interest and a sense of luxury. Number 4. Statement lighting. Invest in eye-catching light fixtures. A stunning chandelier or pendant can instantly elevate any room. Number 5. Staircase update. Transform your staircase by refinishing the railing, adding a runner, or even painting the risers. Number 6. Display cut flowers. Fresh flower add a touch of opulence. Place them in elegant vases throughout your home. Number 7. Invest in art you love. Artwork instantly elevates a space. Choose pieces that resonate with you and enhance the overall ambience. Number 8. Wood flooring over carpets. Replace carpets with wood flooring for a timeless and upscale look. Number 9. Luxury materials. Incorporate materials like marble, brass, or velvet. Even small accents can make a big impact. Number 10. Hide wires and vintage rugs. Conceal wires and cords to maintain a clean and polished appearance. Layer vintage rugs for warmth and sophistication. Remember guys, it's not about spending extravagantly, it's about thoughtful choices and attention to detail. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.